Hi, look at this. This is a new product from Cricut. It is the Linerless transfer tape, and this is what I'm going to use today. I'm also going to use the color changing vinyl with the Linerless transfer tape. I'm going to first start with using a blank, which is going to be this glass. I'm going to use the color changing vinyl along with the Linerless transfer tape. You want to lay the color changing vinyl on a mat. You want to press it down and possibly use your brayer so that it lays flat on the mat. And then you send your design to the Cricut machine. So here's the Linerless transfer tape that I'm going to use for this project. First, I'm going to open it. And I'm feeling around here, it is right here, to take off. I can find it pretty easily. Okay, I like that. And it looks like I only need maybe 2 by 3 or maybe 3 by 3 size. So I'm just gonna cut a little corner. Here we go. Alright, so I have this. It feels like just the right amount of stickiness. So I have that ready. Now I'm going to weed. For simple designs like the lips, I don't necessarily need to weed a lot. It just peels right off. The vinyl works so well. So after you have everything weeded, you want to use your Linerless transfer tape. And one important thing you want to do is use your scraper with it. And make sure you scrape really well on the front and back. Not just like a little soft pass like I did on here, because I had a little bit of challenges. You just want to make sure that you really use that scraper and burnish it. And it helps if you do the front and back, and then it will adhere very well to the transfer tape. Next, you are ready to apply your design to your blank. So make sure that you clean it off really well and use a microfiber wipe to get rid of any lint. And then you start by pressing in the middle and then work your way outward. That typically works the best when applying the design to a blank. Once it's finished, you can remove the transfer tape and it's ready. Just some tips. Make sure you apply the vinyl where it doesn't touch the lips. So I go down about 3/4 of an inch, and then it's ready to go. Now it's time to pour my cold drink and watch the color change. At about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you will start to see the colors become more vibrant. It makes it fun to have a nice glass of cold water, or whatever your preference is. Thank you for watching. This is Naya Lee. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.